This project started with a foundation wall that wasn't settling downward, it was being pushed inward by lateral soil pressure. The surrounding soils were applying constant force against the wall, causing it to bow. To properly straighten and permanently support the wall, full-depth excavation was required to relieve that pressure before structural repairs could be completed. Once the excavation was complete, the next major challenge was backfilling, especially with limited site access. In traditional foundation repairs, soil removed from near the foundation typically can't be reused due to fines and moisture content. That means excavated soil must be hauled away, new backfill has to be imported, and material must be placed and compacted in lifts. All of that requires repeated truck and skid steer traffic, which often leads to significant landscape disruption. On this property, tight access made that entire process inefficient, disruptive, and costly. To eliminate those challenges, the excavation was backfilled using FillFoam. Before any backfill was installed, the exterior foundation wall was sealed with HMI's dual polyurethane spray seal. Then, FillFoam was placed directly through a hose, eliminating the need for dump trucks and repeated heavy equipment movement. FillFoam is a lightweight, engineered backfill that requires no post-installation compaction. Once placed, it forms one solid, monolithic mass that will not settle like traditional soil. It's also not affected by water the way soil can be. In addition to stabilizing the excavation, it acts as a cushion, helping reduce lateral stress on the repaired wall. The excavation measured 6 feet deep, 2 feet wide, and 60 feet long. The entire backfill was completed in just hours using a single tote set of FillFoam material, and no compaction equipment was required. What would normally take days was finished in a fraction of the time. For a project of this size, the efficiency improvements compared to traditional soil backfill were significant. Labor time was reduced by approximately 40%. Heavy equipment usage dropped by about 50%. Site disruption and landscape repair were reduced by up to 60%. When combining labor, equipment, and material handling efficiencies, the overall project saw roughly a 30% improvement in total efficiency. Trucking-related fuel consumption and emissions were reduced by an estimated 70% due to fewer hauling cycles and the elimination of compaction passes. These improvements reflect reduced hauling, fewer machine hours, eliminated compaction cycles, and minimized restoration work. This project demonstrates how FillFoam streamlines the backfilling process. It reduces labor and equipment demands, minimizes disruption, shortens project timelines, and provides a lightweight, stable backfill solution that helps protect repaired foundation walls from future lateral stress. While highlighted here in a bowed wall repair application, FillFoam is well suited for any foundation repair requiring excavation and backfill, including piering, wall stabilization, waterproofing, and structural reinforcement projects.